Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good. That's very great. Yes, I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. Welcome to your social studies class. And in today's class, we will be discussing a very interesting topic. And you will be guessing the topic, okay? Yes, I have written the name on the board, but still, what it is related to or what would be the things we will be discussing, you will guess it by the activity that we will be playing right now, okay? So, in today's, let's start with discussing the favorite hobbies. Okay. So, tell me, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? Yes. What are your hobbies? See, some people love playing games, some people love collecting cards, some people love reading books. Some people love collecting different flowers, you see, or there are different types of hobbies that people. In girls, usually girls like to collect different cosmetic things, different jewelries, right? So these are types of hobbies. So tell me, what your hobbies related to collecting something? What do you like to collect? Okay, different cards. Okay. Yes, Alize, what do you like to collect? Okay, that's great. Yes, Vase, what do you like to collect? Great. Okay, see, Vase like to collect coins. Okay. Well, Vase, I also like to collect coins, even in this age as well. I love to collect coins and I always have a lot of coins in my purse. So, in today's class, the topic that we will be discussing is what is currency? And currency is related to the money, right? We will be discussing what currency is, what is Pakistani currency, and why is the currency of the whole world, is it same or not, why different countries have different currencies, and etc etc. Okay, so let's first define what currency is. Currency is basically a means of exchange. Every country have a particular mean of exchange. There is the proper money which is used in every country, and that money is only applicable. See, you might have heard this, that somebody is going for umrah and they want to get the currency of, let's say, Saudi, right? They went to the bank, and then they gave them the Pakistani money, and they gave them, as a result of that, the Saudi currency, right? So that they can use over there. Why? Because Pakistani currency cannot be used over there, right? So every country has a particular currency, a particular types of notes or coins which are applicable in that country, in their banks, in their shops, or etc, everywhere, right? So today I'll be introducing you with Pakistani currency, what are different coins and notes which are applicable in Pakistan, right? So let's start with the coins, okay? See, as I told you that I love collecting coins, so I have a lot in my bag, and I'll be showing you some out of that. See, the biggest coin is, this is 10 rupees coin. We have a 20 rupees as well, but I don't have that right now. So here it is, the 10 rupee coin. At one side there is the picture of Faisal Mosque, and on the other side there is star and moon. See, this is a 10 rupee coin, okay? Then we have a 5 rupees coin. Previously, we have a bigger 5 rupee coin in silver color. Now we have in golden color. And this is very small, the Puchu coin. See, on one side, the number 5 is written, and on the other side, there is a star and a moon. Okay, so this is a 5 rupees coin. Now, see, every coin have a different structure as well. Both of these coins, the 10 and the 5 rupees, they were similar in this form, that both of them have a star and a moon on one side, but their opposite sides are different. Because on 5 rupees coin we have number 5, and on 10 rupees coin we have the picture of a Faisal Mosque, right? So these are both gold coins, right? Okay, now let's talk about the 1 rupees and 2 rupees coin. So previously we have the similar 1 rupee coin in extra dark golden color, or you can say it was a bit of a brown color. But for 2 rupees we have a light green or mustard color coin, right? But now we have these plastic coins. These are very lightweight, and these are all in silver color, right? Okay, so let's see how they are similar, or is are there any similarities or differences? Okay, so let's find out. On this, on 2 rupees coin, on one side we have this picture of Shahi Killa, Remember, we discussed this, right? When we were discussing things we are proud of in Pakistan. And on one side, we have this star and the moon. Okay. So this looks like. Okay, now look at the 1 rupees coin. On 1 rupees coin, on the front side, we have the picture of our great leader, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And on the other side, we have a picture of a mosque. See? So this means that there are no similarities in both of these coins, right? They're both of their sides are different from each other, right? And I told you that one coin which I haven't discussed with you is 20 rupee coin because I don't have it right now, but I'll be showing you it later on. Okay. 20 rupee coin is applicable in Pakistan in the banks and in the shops as well. So right now I have only four coins that I have introduced to you. Now if we talk about the notes, we have different notes, I'll be start discussing from the very smaller one. So now in order to introduce you with the different types of notes which we have in Pakistan, I'm going to share the screen with you. Can you see my screen? Is the picture available to you? Okay, great. So see, there are four coins. The coins that we have already discussed, the coins are over there, and then we have the notes. So starting from the very smaller, or the one is 10 rupees note, which is in green color. Okay. Then we have a 20 rupees note in green and a bit of orange color. And the similarities in all of the coin is this, that we have Qaid Azam's photo on the front side of it, and the back sides are different. Okay. Then we have the colors are also different, designs are also different. See, and there are these the numbers which are written over there. These are some specific codes or unique codes. There are no two notes which have the same code or same this thing, right? So this is a huge procedure, a huge complicated procedure which is going on, and notes are being there is no need of you to understand that. What is important for you to learn is that currency is basically a specific mean of exchange in a particular country, and every country has its own currency. And currency, what does currency means? Currency means some specific coins or the notes which are applicable in that particular country banks and in normal scenarios, let's say in shopping malls and all other things, right? So these are the notes in Pakistan. We have then we have a 50 rupees note in a purple color. Then we have 100 rupees note in red color. Then we have a 500 in green. Finally, a 1001 in blue color. And then we have a 5000 note as well, right? And then after 5000, there is no note. So 5000 is the last one. Okay. So these are the notes, the variety of notes, a range of currency which is being applicable in Pakistan right now. If I talk about the notes, I don't have the 5000 rupees notes as well right now, so I'll show you it to you later on. I have this 500 rupees note which is already visible. So this is in green color, and see, there is this different code written over in it, and its back side looks like this. There is this picture of Badshahi mosque on the back side. Okay. Then I have this 1000 rupee note. This 1000 rupee note looks like this. It have a different code again. In order to check that whether this note is real or not, there is this silver line over here. If you can see, I think my camera can show this to you, that this silver line which is being shining, right? This line, this tells about the exactly that whether it is applicable, whether it is real or not, because there are fake notes as well, right? Some Eid notes which are being made for the kids on Eid days, and its backside is very much different from this 500 rupees note. See, these are totally different. Okay. So similarly, all other notes, the 10, 20, 50, 100, 5000, all of them are also different. And all of these notes are the part of Pakistani currency, which we can use in Pakistan and which we can use for all our exchange purposes. Okay, so in your book, let's see what is written in your book related to currency. So it says that the money used in a country is called its currency, right? Okay, so here is the money we use in our country, and our money is called rupee, while the name of currency of Pakistan is rupee. Okay, and we should give some of our money to poor people. This is very, very important that we should give our money to poor people as well. See, here is this five in your book. Well, 5,000 rupees note is also over there. This is the biggest note of 5,000 rupees, and this the color is also different and the design is also different. We previously we have this 5 rupee note as well, but now it is not applicable. The banks does not accept this. So now instead of note, we use the 5 rupees coin. Okay, and we have this 5,000 rupee note as well. It is still applicable. Okay, so this is what Pakistani currency is. And what is the name of the Pakistani currency? It's rupees. Very well done. So similarly, different countries have different currencies, and they have different names as well. And whenever you want to visit a foreign country, you are supposed to exchange your money into their currency, so that you can use it, you can for shopping and for renting purposes over there. Okay, class, so that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to create a sketch of a note, whichever note you like the most, whichever design you like the most. You are supposed to make a sketch of that on your notebooks. This is your home assignment, and I'll be checking this in tomorrow's class. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.